Hare Krishna. Are there any near-death experiences that cannot be explained by any material means? Answer: yes, there are many. Let's consider the case of Vicky Umipeg, who was born blind, who was blind, and she had two near-death experiences, and these two experiences were the only times when she saw. Several such cases are described by Kenneth Ring and Sharon Cooper in their book called Mindsight. So here they describe especially near-death experiences among the blind. So these people normally could not see, and yet during their near-death experiences they were able to see. So what this means is that they did not imagine those experiences. They just had no faculty by which they could have imagined what they saw, and their imagination would have worked out to be right, because they had vision only during that time. And now in this case, how did this happen? Actually, the soul is the source of consciousness. The mind, the subtle body, is the channel of consciousness, and the body is the route through which consciousness manifests to the outer world. Normally, the soul's consciousness comes through the mind, through the eyes to the outer world, and that's how we see. So now in the case of Vicky Umipeg, there was damage in the optic nerve, and because of which she could not see. The soul was there, the mind is there. Now we also, when we close our eyes, we see things in the mind's eye. So the mind's eye is often called as imagination, but basically we can perceive things at that level also. But in this case, just like if our eyes are closed, we can't see what is out there. So now if by disease the eyes are closed, then also people can't see what is out there. So now when the outer body experience occurred, basically the soul along with the subtle body leaves the physical body. And then because for the soul, the blockage of its vision that is there at the physical level is removed. That's how the person is able to perceive when they're outside the body. And then when the soul comes back into the body, after the outer body experience gets over, then again the blockage comes. And that's why the soul is no longer able to see. So this is a dramatic example of a near-death experience and outer body experience, which cannot be explained materially and yet can be explained by taking into consideration the soul model of consciousness, by considering that the soul is the source of consciousness.